Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Accel on your desktop or laptop. All right, so first up, you gotta open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Brave right here, Firefox, or any other browser. Okay, so just go ahead and find Accel, just like so, and then just hit on enter. Now in here we have the ones from GitHub. Okay, you gotta want to click on it. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and go to the right panel, and here we have releases. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load, and then go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find assets. And here we're going to download the zip file. So just click on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and save it wherever you want. Save, and then once that's done, close the browser, as we already have the zip file. So right click on it and extract it. I'm just going to go ahead and extract files right here on my desktop. I'm going to hit on OK. Wait for it to load, and here we have it. Now you can go ahead and double click on the raw Accel folder. And then in here, as you can see, we have the installer. So double click on it. There'll be a pop-up, by the way. Just click on yes. And as you can see here, it says install complete, and change will take effect after a restart. So press any key to close this window. So after that, go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, restart. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you download and install Accel on your desktop or laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.